Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of adding integers with visual models. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you a few more examples of how to model your integer addition with the colored circle. So again, the red circle is going to represent positive integers, so positive 1, and our yellow circle is going to represent our negative integers, or our negative 1. So for our example problem now, we're going to instead do a positive plus a positive. So even though this is a common addition problem we may see a lot, it technically still involves integers because they both are positive. I have a positive 3 plus a positive 5. So now I'm going to model that with my colored circles. So I know these are both positive, so I'm only going to be using the red circles. So in this case, I need 3 red circles, so I'm going to first copy my red circles 3 times and place it under. So Control copy, and then I'm going to paste it and move it underneath. I'm going to have to do it 3 times. Paste, and then let's do one more. So I have 3 red circles there, and then I have another positive number. So even though this says addition, there is a positive sign that's invisible that's in front of it right here. So I'm going to now copy this 5 more times. So now, if I have all of my circles underneath my numbers, or my ducks in a row, so basically all I know is, based on the fact that these are all the same colors, I only have to count the circles. I can't cancel them out. Unless they're the opposite colors, you can't cancel them out. So just to show you what I mean by these cancel each other out, it's called the additive inverse. So if I was to have 1 plus a negative 1, this is called the additive inverse. And what that just means is that they are going to cancel and make 0. Any number that adds to itself, the opposite, which is the negative integer, will be its additive inverse. So for instance, 3 plus a negative 3 is the additive inverse. So you can say that negative 3 is the additive inverse of positive 3. So let's go back to our problem. So I'm just going to count my red circles. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I should just have a positive 7. So that's my first integer problem. Now let's do one again with a negative and a positive number. So let's say I want to have negative 5 plus a positive 6. So I'm again going to copy my colored circles, but in this case I have a negative 5. So I am going to need at least 5 of my yellow circles. So I'm going to copy it and paste it right underneath. There's 3, 4, 5. Now I have positive 6 integers, so I know I need 6 of my red circles. Well, oh, that's wrong. Let me delete that. Let me make my red circle copy. Paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now all I need to do is, I got to remember, these are additive inverses. So every time I see a yellow circle and a red circle, I can cancel them as long as they're a pair. So I see that this pair right here can be together, this pair can be together, this pair, and this pair. So I can basically just cross every pair out because they are additive inverses. They make 0. Each of these should equal 0. So now I just look and see what I have left. All I have left is a positive 1, or you can just think of it as a 1. So because I know that I have the 1 left, this will be just 1. It will be a positive 1. You can put a plus sign in front of it, or you can just not have that plus sign. It just depends what you want to do. So you don't need that plus sign right there because it's assumed. So that's how you, again, model with circles or any kind of visual model. So it just depends how you want to do it. So I hope that helped you out. So thank you. Add in the comments if you have any other questions.